Hello, you've kind of caught me trying to make tank traps. And I mean, honestly, I'm kind of making this up as I go along. That looks like something. I was making this retro Rogue Trader inspired piece. This is the original. I made this with sand casting, and I've been kind of inspired. My brain hasn't stopped ticking about this weird process. It's incredibly satisfying. Very messy though. I've had this pursuit, I guess, to try to making miniatures in terrain as accessible as possible, make as many DIY tutorials as I can muster. And I just thought, if I can get this to work, this might be one of the easiest things you could ever make. So I'm basically just trying to cut out these little positive impressions I've spray painted on this cardboard so I can get 4 identical pieces. You should just be able to... Right. This tape that I'm using is tile tape. I don't really understand what the purpose of it is, and I actually found it when I was at my old studio, and it's incredibly strong. So I've just been using it for all sorts of crafts and also as like decoration. On this piece that I made yesterday, parts of this metal is literally just texture from this really thick textured tape. Last one, and now the thing is we only need to make this once because this will be our mold maker. When I was a kid, I saw people make tank traps out of ice cube trays, just like pouring plaster into ice cube trays. And, you know, like that also works. It just looks like ice cubes though. So I'm hoping this will be like the next level up. Nice. You try to get this nice and square. Okay. I think to help with the strength of this, we should actually fill this with sand. And now if we glue a little tab on here, actually it kind of looks like the Millennium Eye. Is that what it was from Yu-Gi-Oh? Millennium Puzzle, that's it. Let's Zen garden this and get this nice and flat. Quite good. So in this cup, I'm putting paint water because I can't be bothered going inside, and lots of plaster, which has oxide pigment in it to tint it. You kind of want to pre-mix all your plaster with the oxide pigment because it's nasty, it gets everywhere. I don't think it's very good for you. So, yeah, it's something to keep in mind. I think these turned out a little bit lumpy and a little bit misshapen. But that's okay. We can work on this. I mean, like, the profiles look good. Top view, it doesn't look great, and they don't line up very well. The fault comes with this though. This is also not very well made. Let's fix that. But first of all, I'm doing some experiments in Blender just to see what shapes I can make, what I can kind of get away with, because if I 3D print them, they'll be perfect, so I will know this proof of concept will work, right? But now I'm going to make a traditional medium, which is a template. So this time around, instead of filling it with sand, I'm using super glue to reinforce the sides and edges. Using bicarb soda to sort of make like a hard plastic interior. You know, it's honestly like the most classic hobby move that the project you think will cause you the least amount of trouble ends up causing you all the trouble. A new tank trap template. Gotta be the one. This is definitely better. I think we can get better results, so I think we have to reinforce this with more super glue. Nice. This time. Okay, let's have a look. Oh yeah. Oh. Gather in. This is our template. This is our 3D printed pyramid one. 3D print with a flat top. And these. So I'm not happy, but I'm not unhappy. I think we just need to give this a little bit of love, a little sand, and I've made heaps. Ugh, I feel like such a fool. Have a look. This is before cleanup, and this is after cleanup. This is literally 20 seconds. It looks bloody great. It looks so good. But the thing is, remember when I made 2 of these bloody templates because I wasn't happy with the lumpiness of the first one? Well, they both clean up just as good. What am I on about? I should have just been happy the first time. But it does mean that we got all these cool little experiments. Okay, are you ready? All painted, all based, all flocked, all ready for my retro 40k table. Again, I can't take credit for the paint jobs of those Space Marines, but shout out to whoever painted them. Hello, this video is a little bit late because I accidentally fell asleep. But I have made the templates available for free. I have updated them with the new versions that I created from the STL files, and I've also made the STL files available for free as well. So the moral is, it doesn't really matter how you make these, as long as you clean them up okay, everything's going to be okay. Enjoy all the free stuff. I've also made this available for free, this 3D print from yesterday as well. I'm trying to make all the things that I make in this vlog series for free, so it will be in a big compilation linked below as it gets updated through time. Okay, thank you.